Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, I will be guiding you through how to add debit card to Western Union account. To add a debit card to your Western Union account, first of all, open a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top and type in westernunion.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site for Western Union, go to the upper right hand corner and click login, and also make sure to log into your account by entering your correct credentials in the login area. Once you are logged into your Western Union account, from the main home page, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Once you get to your profile page, scroll down and click on Payment Preferences. Now, make sure that you've selected credit/debit cards and click on Add a new debit card. Now enter your debit card number in the text box. Once you type in your card number, type in the expiry date for your card on the next field and click on Save in order to add a debit card to your Western Union account. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.